Let us lift our nations high, under the sun or in the rain, with dedication and selflessness. Nigerians us, Nigeria we serve.
Sacrifice of this country. You put their life, even as I am speaking now. Someone may have raised it to recognize. Someone is in the trenches now, he may not have seen his wife, or he may not have seen his children. He will miss birthday, he will miss a wedding ceremony, he will miss burial ceremony in the service of the country. So even if you are not going to do anything, don't go to the social media and denigrate that institution. I always say it, any individual or collective who diminish or undermine the armed forces, you are not talking to the soldier or the officer, because the military is an instrument of national power. It's your country that you are diminishing. It's not a local militia. They say Nigerian armed forces. If one soldier has done something wrong, single out that soldier. If one outside does something, don't diminish an institution. Or don't celebrate some time when they are setbacks. I want to use this opportunity to call on all Nigerians to continue to support our armed forces, to support the NYSC for the dedicated service to the country. NYSC is a national picking. Every NYSC, you see them, if you can't say anything, don't discourage them. Times may have changed, but the value that NYSC brings to the table remains. The mandate and the vision of our founding father is even more relevant now than ever. And if you are a core member, don't play to the gallery. I tell them, you're a core member, you go on social media, you wake up in the morning. If you are a Muslim, you are not doing Sufi prayer. If you are a Christian, you are not doing your early morning devotion. You go to social media. Somebody has posted something, you don't even know him. Maybe it's a fake account. You have shared. If you are not sure, don't share. The person maybe is in other country pumping champagne. You are here. You don't know his agenda. He's there with his family. And then tomorrow, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, you want something, you want to go to school, you want an appointment, they check your social media conduct. They say when you are this is what happened. There are cases where people look for visa, they are denied because of their conduct on social media. There are cases when people want appointment, or when they are given appointment, they go to National Assembly, they look at their social media handle. They say, "Oh, you say this about Nigeria before. Why do you come back now and want to serve Nigeria?" So your assignment is not about DG or the director, it's about you. They have done their own. He has done his own. If he tell you, be careful how you use social media.
Since 2004, I think, yes, every single core member has been under comprehensive insurance. We have health insurance and life insurance. National Health Insurance Authority takes care of their medical and health insurance. So when they fall sick, cover as much area as they can. Those that they feel they cannot cover, we take up the responsibility. And also, there was an incident. We just paid 1 hospital 28 million naira to save the life of a pregnant core member that got involved in road traffic accident. And she had spinal cord surgery. And I was like, look, you must do everything within your power to preserve these people. And that made us to do it. such huge. We've had instances that we have to pay for up to 33 million to replace prosthetic hand for core members. Life insurance, once we issue you call-up letter, posting letter, before you commence your journey from your parents' home, you're already under insurance. So that's why when we receive news that okay, people are going to come, they got involved in road traffic accident or something, we dispatch our staff to go take over the management by the So these are some of the things that government has put in place that they are not new introductions or new things to the scheme. So I believe some of the writers even enjoy this privilege. So, but for whatever reason, people will still go on to do. We cannot, but the burden of proof is always on the person that is alleging. And we thank Nigerians for their understanding. So many highly discerning people, when you even read the social media comment, people are like, let me say, comment by the Certificate of National Self. NYSC, where some people say, me, to even get my own self, I had to go to Abuja to sign for it personally. NYSC will never give me my proxy if you miss the opportunity during your POP. So, we're happy a number of Nigeria, majority out there know the truth and they are standing by it and we don't want to employ everyone. This is a scheme that belongs to everyone. For the NYSC, so many, some of even the people that are writing today will not have had the opportunity or privilege of good education. Because a number of us were taught by core members in our schools. Last year there were 2 state chief executives that attempted to recruit or employ up to 100 doctors in one state. It was even a landline. The governor wanted about 150 doctors. They couldn't even get 10 or 15. We as the constantly we are bridging the gap across the states with the medical corps members. Nurses, we deploy them strategically such that the primary health care system in the country or across the country make sure it does not collapse. There are governors that will discuss with us that we have schools, we have teachers that we want NYSC to post certain categories of graduates to them. Some will tell you they want English, maths, physics, and computer science to help them. So each state has got this education strategy and they leverage the NYSC platform to do it. We work hand in hand with INEC during election. That's where we bring credibility to our electoral system. And we'll continue to do that because people believe in us, that we are not political in engagement. And when members of the international community, international observers come around and they get to any polling unit and they see core members, they are assured of 2 things: credibility, security, because they know that NYSC will not deploy core members to threaten areas. And I know I'm on record that we remain by that policy that we do not and we will not deploy our core members to areas where we do not have security guarantee. And guarantees are given at the strategic level, the level of DG, DSS, IGP, service chiefs. That look, you can deploy in this area. And that has informed a number of management decisions recently. Last year alone, I think we had to relocate camps in Kwara and Cape. Because we monitor the news, we watch the trend, we get intelligence reports too. So no, we can't separate camps in this area because these are Nigerians. We are stakeholders, we are placeholders. So we see them as our children. Yeah, I cannot send my child, I cannot send any of them.
Just before you is our visitors notebook. As you're already filling in, please kindly put down your kind words that you visited the National Directorate Headquarters of NYSC on this day, March 18, 2026.
Like you say in Nigeria, I want to retaliate. You have a present this gift, able to visit also in line with what we do and help to shape the personality of our Nigerians. Because I want to tell you something. It's so that we can hear this very important. Hello, testing.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend her unity, and uphold her honor and glory, so help me God. Thank you.